Today we are in the village of North Petherton, which is a village in between Bridgewater and Taunton, to show you this fantastic bungalow. This property offers an opportunity to put your own stamp on a property. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
I'ma leave my home, I'ma do it all. I was locked in my own way. I go do something beautiful. I'ma leaving this behind. Oh, I'm sure I'm gonna miss my bro. I'ma leave my home, and this will change it all. Is this what I was waiting for so long? But this voice is telling me go, go, go. I am on my knees.
If you liked what you've seen on the tour of this property today and you'd like to arrange a viewing, please do get in touch. Or if indeed you'd like a valuation of your property, we'd be more than happy to help.